how to compute deduction under section 80G. Deduction under section 80G can be claimed by any taxpayer, that is either individual, HUF, firm, company, BOI, any taxpayer. Donation made to the following funds charitable institutions, that is starting from serial number 1 to 12, (13 to 19), and up till 22. If donation is made to these institutions, then deduction would be calculated as specified herein. That is, first of all, if I make a donation of rupees, say 1 lakh rupees, then how deduction would be calculated? In the last column, allowable percentage is specified. That is 100%. Suppose, say for example in serial number 20, it is 100%. I make a donation of rupees 1 lakh to Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Then how deduction would be calculated? First of all, I would do 100% of 1 lakh, that is written over here, allowable percentage, that is 1 lakh multiplied by 100%, so the amount would be 1 lakh, or adjusted gross total income, whichever is less. Now how this adjusted gross total income is computed? First of all, the assessee has to calculate gross total income. From the gross total income, the assessee has to reduce long-term capital gain, short-term capital gain under section 111A, casual incomes, and income under section 115A, AB, AC, ACA, AD, BBA, and D. And the resulting amount would be adjusted gross total income. Now we come on to the name of the institutions, wherein if the donation is given, there is a cap limit beyond which deduction would not be allowable. So these are the institutions, that is running from serial number 1 to 7, and the last column reflects the percentage, allowable percentage of deduction, serial number 1 to 7. Now how it is calculated? It is restricted to the actual payment. Say for example, I have done a donation of rupees 1 lakh. Then how to calculate? First I will take the figure of 1 lakh, or 10% of net qualifying amount. Net qualifying amount is calculated. First of all, I have to calculate adjusted gross total income. Of that adjusted gross total income, I have to calculate 10%. That would be considered as 10% of the net qualifying amount. Whichever is lower, I have to select, and on that amount I have to apply the allowable percentage. Resulting amount would be further restricted to the adjusted gross total income, which we have already seen previously. Once again, I'll just go through it as to how it is calculated. First of all, gross total income is to be calculated, from wherein deduction under section 80C to 80U is to be deducted, except deduction under section 80G because we are computing 80G. Then from that we have to reduce the amount on which income tax is not payable, long-term capital gain, short-term capital gain under section 111A, casual income, and income under section 115A, AB, AC, ACA, AD, BBA, and D. And the resulting amount is considered as the net qualifying amount. Of this net qualifying amount, 10% is to be done, and then it is to be compared with the amount of donation. Whichever is lower is to be selected, and on that amount the allowable percentage is to be applied to find out the amount of deduction under section 80G.